Hello friends, welcome to today's episode. Friends, today we will know biography of Albert Einstein. And let's see what their history is. We'll know in today's video. You are new on this channel, so you subscribe to it now, so that you can watch the video first from next time. Let's start today's episode. Albert Einstein, a brief biography. Albert Einstein was born on 14th March 1879 in Ulm, in the Kingdom of Württemberg in the German Empire. He grew up in a secular Jewish family. His father, Hermann Einstein, was an engineer and a salesman, and his mother, Pauline Koch, was a homemaker. Early life and education. Einstein showed early signs of genius, but he struggled with the rigid schooling system in Germany. His family moved to Munich, where Einstein attended the Luitpold Gymnasium. He later attended the Swiss Federal Polytechnic School in Zurich, Switzerland, where he met Mileva Marek, who would later become his first wife. Career and major contributions. Einstein worked at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern from 1902 to 1909. During this period, he completed much of his groundbreaking work in theoretical physics. In 1905, often referred to as his Annus Mirabilis or Miracle Year, Einstein published 4 papers that would change the course of physics. These papers covered the photoelectric effect, Brownian motion, the special theory of relativity, and the equivalence of mass and energy, EMC superscript 2. Einstein's theory of relativity revolutionized the understanding of space, time, and gravity. His work on the photoelectric effect earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. Later years. In 1933, Einstein emigrated to the United States to escape the rise of the Nazi regime in Germany. He accepted a position at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey, where he continued his work in theoretical physics. He was an outspoken advocate for civil rights and a supporter of Zionism. Einstein was also instrumental in alerting President Franklin D. Roosevelt about the potential for Nazi Germany to develop an atomic bomb, leading to the establishment of the Manhattan Project. Death and legacy. Albert Einstein passed away on 18 April 1955, in Princeton, New Jersey. He left an indelible mark on the world of science and is widely regarded as one of the most influential physicists of the 20th century. His theories have had a profound impact on the development of modern physics and have shaped our understanding of the universe. Einstein's intellectual achievements and originality have made the name Einstein synonymous with genius.